The Nike Air Max Plus Smoke Gray and Volt brings fresh energy to a silhouette that's been a streetwear staple since 1998. Arriving for holiday 2025, it blends smoke gray mesh uppers with matching TPU wavy overlays, mudguard, and eyestays, delivering a sleek, tonal look. Striking Volt hits light up the swooshes, air unit windows, and tongue badge, injecting bold contrast. Performance stays true to its roots with full-length tuned air cushioning for comfort, a durable rubber outsole with strategic tread, and a reinforced toe cap for lasting wear. This mix of understated bass tones and vibrant pops ensures style from city streets to daily use. Continuing the legacy of standout colorways, the Smoke Gray and Volt will drop via Nike.com and select retailers, appealing equally to longtime Air Max fans and new collectors who value both performance and street-ready design.